What's up guys, and welcome back to my vlog channel. As you guys can see, this is my home in Texas. I am not in Arizona. By the title of this, you guys know this is a college weekend of my life. So I came home from school this weekend and I'm visiting family and I'm staying with them for Easter. So today's actually Thursday because I only have classes Monday through Wednesday, so I get to come home early instead of just the weekend. So I came home on Thursday. I've been home for quite a bit, like a few hours now, but me and my whole family are going to go see Mickey Mouse on ice because Beckham loves Mickey Mouse, and so he's going to really enjoy seeing Mickey Mouse on ice. So our whole family is going. I am wearing this little black cropped denim jacket with this red top from Urban Outfitters because I felt like it looked like Mickey. So yeah, I'm gonna go get in the car now because our family is kind of in a hurry, and I will see you guys at the show. Beckham, he has his little wand and he's terrified. I can't handle it. Oh my God. Okay guys, I didn't vlog like a ton at the show, but it was so cute. Beckham loved it. I'm obviously home now. I just washed my face, and my mom over here still in her Mickey attire. My mom over there went to Tokyo, as you guys know. In Hong Kong. Oh my God, yeah. Get my mom to 10K. She literally wants a swipe up link so bad.
I just want to swipe. That's all.
Go follow my mom at Shauna Collins. Sean came back from my stepdad. If you guys don't know, he came back from Hong Kong and brought this, and it says Natalie on it. It's for Nat, and I'm gonna FaceTime her and show her what he got her, because like she'll literally cry. Like she'll literally be like, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. I walked to my room and she was like, oh hey, Sean got you souvenirs from Hong Kong. And I was like, oh cool. He was like, yeah, he brought you some. So I'm like getting them out. Wait, you're frozen. Can you hear me or see me? Yeah, so I'm like getting them out, and I was like, Mom, you're kidding. He had this made. It says Natalie. It is for you.
He sent me an Instagram DM of a picture of it, and I was like, he just like saw that.
No,
they made
no, they
it.
make them. Like you tell them the name and you pay to get them made.
That is so nice.
Hey guys, okay, so I didn't end the vlog last night, and I know I only got like a few clips because we just did like a little something yesterday, so it wasn't much to vlog, but it's okay because I'm gonna be vlogging the entire Easter weekend. So it is Good Friday. We've got a bunch of treats over here. I'm over at my dad's house. We got some cute little sweet tea, got some snacks, and we are introducing Beckham to his first crawfish because my dad's having a crawfish boil. So here's Beckham, who honestly knows what he's doing. Okay. It's so good.
You hook it up to your hose. Just spin, and wash.
It's nice.
And there's a drain plug on the other side. And shoot some dirty water out.
He's gonna hit it with that bubble wand. Hey vlog.
Whataburger.
Yeah, I had to let him know I'm a Whataburger. I got a
go in a second. I'm
cinnamon roll at Whataburger, and
I ordered fries at the last minute.
and obviously I just left my dad's. We had our crawfish boil, and then now me, my mom, and Hannah are on our way. Look at Hannah over there. We're on our way to Louisiana. We're driving over there so that we'll be there for Easter weekend. Alrighty, so I finally made it to my grandma's. She was actually just telling, oh, you scared me, you came around the back. Get on out of here. So my grandma was actually just telling me and my mom and Hannah like about these baby cats that were just born here, because there's like a bunch of cats that are always around her home. And she was telling us about how these feral cats, like wild, crazy cats, like are in a group of males, and they always come and like try to kill off all the baby cats, and they like impregnated all the female cats, and then they like tried to kill off all the baby ones, and as we're sitting in the living room and she's telling us this story, we hear like loud like meowing, like cats are fighting. So we just ran outside, and this cat ran off from like the box that the mom and the babies live in. So they were for sure like getting attacked, and the mom was like, whatever. I'm gonna insert a video right here of the baby cats and what they look like. Nana. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to blind you. I didn't mean to blind you. And yeah, so that's them. So now we're gonna find a new place for the cats. We're trying to block off their little box.
Yeah.
Let's show you from the side. This is their little cardboard box. You can't see them, but this is the box that they're in with their blankie. And then my grandma just put this in front of it just in case. Which it would be hard to like get in there and like fight with them.
Yeah.
If this is in front of it, I feel like.
Yeah.
And then you could like get a
little
kennel.
protection. We'll do some. I think we've got a kennel, but
Yeah, because a kennel would be better so you could close it so that they couldn't get in at night, you know? The kittens. Hey, kitties. I guess my grandma put some food out here. Oh, cutie little girl. Oh, it's too bright. Her eyes. I can't. We're trying not to get muddy, but it's not happening. So what happens when you come to the country? You haven't been back in a minute. You don't know how to function in the wildlife over here. The boil has started. Oh, hello. My sister has just arrived. You see me? You see me?
Too bright.
It's a little muddy. You might.
You can walk. Come on. It's too bright.
You need some sunglasses, buddy. It is full of kids, this entire home. It's literally a disaster. It's too much for Carson. Carson can't handle the kids. And the crawfish is still being made. Day 2 of the crawfish boil. I had crawfish yesterday and today.
Yeah.
Hannah's ready. Hannah's ready to grub. She's so excited. Oh, help!
Let's start over again. Here we go.
All right. Happy birthday to you. Oh, yeah. She's lighting her own candle. Working over there. 24 karat gold eggs happening. Look, we are in Target and we are stopping at literally every single thing that we see for no reason whatsoever. She needs a notebook. She has 47, but she wants another.
Always need more. Notes and plans.
Why do we always? I think notebooks are so cute though, but I really do never write in them. Look at the dinosaur one. He needs that for school. Sissy, look at that.
He doesn't write at school.
Beckham needs it.
Beckham, that's the cutest dinosaur notebook I've ever seen in my life.
Have you seen many before in your life?
Yeah. It's Easter. Beckham's awake. Good morning, Becky. Which one is yours? You'd never guess. He's so excited. Like he saw this and was like, yeah, that's the best thing I ever got. Becca, he is risen. You need to understand. Wow. Okay, what else did you guys get? You got these little, you got some Bible activity books.
Yeah, I know.
You both got some chocolate.
My favorite part of Lay's
This is my mom's Easter basket.
is the shape of some of them.
And we did a little trick since she hates roaches. Hey, where are they? Oh, the kitties. They're so sweet, Becca.
Yes,
Sorry.
please.
Be like, look at this candle the kids got me.
Tell her to come in here and you can ask her.
Where are you? Look at this, smell this candle the girls got me for Easter. It's so cute.
It's pretty, isn't it?
I know, I love it. No, you have to open it. That's what they gave me. So mean.
She didn't like it. Good morning and happy Easter. So as you guys saw, we went to church this morning and now we're back at my grandma's house. I am leaving today with my family and we're gonna go back to Houston today, but this is our last day in Louisiana just to hang with the fam, all of the kids. I'm with the little kittens. Look at how cute they are, all nuzzled up and just so perfect. I need all of them. But yeah, so all the kids are in the backyard right now playing, hanging out, bonding, and I'm gonna go back there. We just all had lunch, and the goats, Billy, as you guys know, is wilding out. So I'm gonna show you all the animals. Billy's over here. We got some bubbles. We got some kids driving around. Beckham, oh no. Beckham's upset. But Billy is over here. Billy! You're Billy.
Probably Billy.
You're Billy. Oh! He bit my finger. I know, he likes a little nibble. Oh, he licked me because he likes me. Oh, Billy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Nana said he eats her clothes off. Her body. Oh. Hey, Billy. Hey, Billy Bill. You're so pretty. All right.
We're hiding them?
Me and Hannah are on a mission. We're hiding. We're doing them. We're hiding the eggs first.
So everyone can have their own color they're searching for. So I'm gonna go to the little kids first. So this is Eliana, Beckett, Beckham, Kanan, Nash, and Jack. So Jack, you have a solid purple egg. I don't have one to show you, it's just a purple egg.
Get on, or you can't go.
Disqualified.
You're disqualified. All right. On your mark. Get set. Go. Woo! You better go. You took the golden. I don't know. No, everyone gets a gold. Everyone gets a sparkly golden one. They're just all different prices. It doesn't matter.
Should I leave it?
No, just take it if you want it.
Oh my gosh.
No, I can't reach out.
Why is he trying to climb up that fence?
He's scared of the goats.
That's so stupid.
Oh, Carson.
Don't get hits for him. Don't get hits for him. He has to get it.
No, Carson.
Carson got her egg. Zach refuses to go with the goats. He won't get the last egg over there. We're checking my height. Wait, do I need to take my ponytail out?
No, you're good as long as your
Good,
head's
'cause
straight.
it's like,
Your head's straight.
In 2000.
Ready? Okay. Let's see.
that's me in 2016. That's me now. So there we are. I'm getting y'all on the vlog, yelling at Carson, go, we're trying to have an adult conversation. Look at the gossip. We are driving home from Louisiana. Hannah's in the back. And we are, how far are we? An hour and a half? Still in this beautiful gown. Are we like an hour and a half?
Yeah, hour and 20.
Hour and 20. And we should be home soon so I can go to sleep because I'm so freaking tired. Okay guys, I know I didn't vlog much. I literally just drove home from Louisiana and then my flight, I woke up at 6 a.m. the next day. So obviously I'm back home. I'm in Arizona now. And I just wanted to end this Easter vlog and say thank you guys so much for watching. Obviously I try and upload as much as I can on my vlog channel, but you guys really like when I do week in my lives on my main channel, so I'm kind of trying to alternate between both of those. But I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.